3, 2, 1, action! Hello, I'm Juan and today we're going to make a Lego helicopter. First you need this brick. It's a flat brick and it's a 8 dot because on this side it has 8 dots. So place one of these two big. Well, I couldn't find one that's together, so I just can use 2 of these. You put these bricks on here, then you get one of this crystal brick. It's a 2 by 1. Then you get this one. It's a 1 by 6. Then on the back, I know there was one missing there, but you get one of these 3 by 1 flat brick. Then you put it on here. Then I couldn't find a 2 by 1 brick, so I just can use two of the 1 by 1 bricks. So put them here. Oopsie. Okay. Then you get this. Then you get this. You get one of these. This 1 by 1 by 2 flat brick. 2 by 1 flat brick. A 4 by 1 flat brick right here. Then we move on to this one right here. We're gonna make the back side. With this, you'll just make right here. Wait, okay. Then you get one of these 2 by 1 brick. Great. Then at the bottom, you just have this brick, and here's a pillar. And you need these to decorate it. These are 4 by 1 bricks. Just put them right here. And while this, you actually put it right here. Then after that, we get one of this 2 by 1 brick. Then we put this brick, this gray brick. It's almost the same as this one, but gray. See, they're the same. And so, like, I don't know what these things, but these things are called propellers. Then you use a 8 by 1 brick, flat brick. Then use these 6 by 1 flat bricks. Then it's ready. So we put it right here, and there you go. It's done. So thanks for watching. Bye.